What's happening, automotive enthusiasts? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most talked about luxury SUVs on the market, the 2026 Lexus GX 550. This isn't just another SUV. This is a vehicle redefining what it means to blend uncompromising luxury with legitimate off-road capability. Whether you're a weekend warrior looking to conquer challenging terrain, a family person seeking unparalleled safety and comfort, or simply someone who appreciates automotive excellence, the GX 550 deserves your attention. We're covering everything from its impressive powertrain to real-world pricing strategies, and I'll share my honest thoughts on whether this SUV truly lives up to the hype. So buckle up. If you're passionate about cars, luxury SUVs, and getting the absolute best value when purchasing a vehicle, you're in exactly the right place. Hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. We're constantly testing new vehicles, uncovering dealer strategies, and sharing insider tips that can literally save you thousands of dollars. Subscribing is completely free and helps us continue creating content like this for you. Subscribe now. What's new for 2026? Let's be straight. The 2026 Lexus GX 550 is essentially a carryover model. The complete redesign occurred for the 2024 model year. However, there's one significant change. Pricing is increased by $1,350 across most trims. Combined with the destination charge, you're looking at a substantial investment. But does this premium pricing reflect genuine value? That's what we're here to discover. Trim levels and pricing. The 2026 Lexus GX 550 offers 6 distinct configurations. GX 550 Premium, starting around $66,185. The foundation model features 20-inch alloy wheels, LED headlights, moonroof, power liftgate, synthetic leather, 8-way power adjustable heated and ventilated front seats, and a 14-inch infotainment touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. GX 550 Premium Plus, starting around $70,650. Adds LED fog lights, hands-free liftgate, heated steering wheel, heated second-row seats, power folding third row, wireless charging, and a crucial 360-degree camera system. GX 550 Luxury, starting around $78,650. Upgrades to semi-aniline leather, 10-way adjustable front seats with massage, illuminated door sills, second-row window shades, and impressive 22-inch wheels that dramatically enhance the GX's presence. GX 550 Luxury Plus, starting around $82,650. The pinnacle of on-road luxury with Mark Levinson, premium audio, panoramic glass roof, automatic running boards, and customized ambient lighting. Materials rival six-figure luxury SUVs. GX 550 Overtrail, competitive with premium plus pricing. For adventure enthusiasts, larger all-terrain tires, skid plates, locking rear differential, and EKDSS suspension. Gets extra 1-inch suspension lift for 9.84 inches of ground clearance. Eliminates third row for maximum cargo space. GX 550 Overtrail Plus, around $82,000. Plus combines serious off-road hardware with premium luxury features. Nearly all Luxury Plus amenities with robust mechanical upgrades. Engine specifications. Power meets refinement every 2026. Lexus GX 550 features a 3.4-liter twin-turbocharged V6, developing 349 horsepower and 479 pounds-feet of torque. Mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission with full-time 4WD. Real-world performance, 0-60 miles per hour in approximately 6.3 seconds. For a vehicle of this size and capability, that's genuinely impressive. The twin-turbo provides strong, low-end torque with immediate power exactly when needed. The 10-speed automatic is smooth, responsive, and intelligent, adapting seamlessly whether you're cruising highways or crawling over rocks. Towing capacity. Class-leading capability. The GX 550's most impressive attribute is its exceptional towing capacity. The base Premium model tows 9,062 pounds, while Premium Plus, Luxury Plus, and Overtrail Plus boost capacity to 9,096 pounds. You could confidently tow substantial travel trailers, large boats, or multiple ATVs. The body-on-frame construction, robust powertrain, and sophisticated four-wheel drive system provide stable, confident towing with trailer sway control, integrated brake controllers, and advanced stability management. The reality check. Let's be honest, fuel economy isn't the GX's strength. Expect 15 mpg city, 21 mpg highway, and 17 mpg combined. However, the 21.14-gallon fuel tank provides approximately 315 miles combined range, or potentially 441 miles highway. Premium fuel is recommended, though regular unleaded works with some performance sacrifice. Compared to the hybrid Toyota Land Cruiser, 22 city, 25 highway, the GX appears disadvantaged. However, the Land Cruiser's significantly smaller tank means real-world range is actually quite similar. Adaptive suspension, a game changer. The adaptive dampers available on Luxury, Luxury Plus, and Overtrail trims genuinely transform how this vehicle drives. This isn't marketing hyperbole, it's transformative. The system dynamically adjusts damping based on conditions and drive mode. Sport mode tightens everything with sharper handling and reduced body roll. Comfort mode delivers plush, isolated ride quality. Having owned the LC500 and driven multiple F-Sport variants, I can honestly say the GX's adaptive dampers are among the most effective in any Lexus product. The changes are immediately apparent and meaningfully impact the driving experience. Interior quality, luxury that impresses. Step inside any GX 550 and you're reminded this is a Lexus first. All models receive a 14-inch touchscreen, 12.3-inch digital instrument panel, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and 6 USB ports. The interface is intuitive and responsive. The Mark Levinson premium audio system is exceptional. The base gets 10 speakers. The Mark Levinson system offers 21 speakers with crystal clear, highs, rich mids, and controlled bass. If you appreciate quality audio, don't skip this option. Semi-aniline leather on luxury models, along with 1 zero-way adjustable seats with massage, heat, and ventilation, provide exceptional comfort. The massage function delivers genuine benefits during long journeys. Full transparency. Transitioning from the previous GX 460, this new model has lost some distinctive, rugged character. The old GX felt more utilitarian and purposeful. This new GX is unquestionably more refined and comfortable. Think of it as an ultra-refined Ford Bronco, which is genuinely complimentary. Safety technology. Lexus Safety System 3 plus Lexus Safety System 3 Plus comes standard, representing one of the most comprehensive safety suites available. This includes forward collision warning with pedestrian, bicyclist detection, automatic emergency braking, oncoming traffic alert, emergency steering assist, adaptive cruise control, lane centering steering, road sign recognition, blind spot monitors, rear cross-traffic alert, and parking sensors with automatic braking. The adaptive cruise control works smoothly in stop-and-go traffic, maintaining appropriate distances. These systems are specifically calibrated for the GX's size and weight, not generic transplants from smaller vehicles. Off-road capability. Serious hardware. The GX 550, particularly in overtrail configuration, delivers genuine capability rivaling dedicated off-road vehicles. Multi-Terrain Select offers modes for various surfaces, optimizing traction for sand, mud, rock, or other conditions. The electronic kinetic dynamic suspension system locks and unlocks stabilizer bars to increase wheel articulation when needed. Overtrail models get an electronically controlled locking rear differential, extra suspension lift, providing nearly 10 inches of ground clearance, low-range transfer case, and robust skid plates. On-road dynamics. Surprisingly competent despite its size and off-road hardware, the GX 550 proves surprisingly confidence-inspiring during on-road driving. Highway stability is excellent with minimal body movement. The steering offers appropriate weighting and reasonable precision. The twin-turbo V6 provides effortless acceleration across all speeds. The 10-speed automatic is quick to downshift when needed, holds gears appropriately, and seamlessly finds the right ratio for cruising. Ride quality varies by trim, with adaptive damper models delivering the most compliant ride. Comparison with Toyota Land Cruiser. The 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser and Lexus GX share fundamental architecture but represent different approaches. The Land Cruiser uses a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder with hybrid assistance, producing less power but similar real-world fuel economy with a significantly smaller tank that reduces range. The Land Cruiser starts at $57,200 and tops at $62,045, considerably more accessible but sacrificing interior luxury and premium features. Interestingly, both deliver similar real-world acceleration despite the Land Cruiser's hybrid system. The Land Cruiser's entry 1,958 trim leases particularly well at approximately $600 monthly, making it far more accessible for lease-preferring buyers. Pricing reality, no discounts available here's difficult but essential information. If you're hoping for substantial discounts, you'll be disappointed. Demand significantly exceeds supply, creating a seller's market. Your best-case scenario is paying full MSRP without dealer markups. Many dealers add thousands in market adjustments or mandatory accessories. Overtrail models command premiums, even used trading above original MSRP. Traditional negotiating strategies aren't effective when demand outstrips supply. Dealers have multiple buyers ready to pay full price or higher, eliminating discount incentives. Leasing considerations. Challenging economics leasing presents significant challenges. Lexus provides zero lease incentivization. On the GX, money factors exceed 7%, extraordinarily high. A GX 550 Premium plus $72,000 MSRP leases for approximately $1,200 monthly with zero down, perfect credit in high-tax jurisdictions. Multiple security deposits save roughly $3,000 over the lease term. One-pay leases save over $5,000 in interest. But if you have that capital, you're probably better purchasing outright. The Land Cruiser 1,958. In contrast, leases for approximately $600 monthly, dramatically more affordable. Value retention. A silver lining. The compelling silver lining. Exceptional value retention. Lexus products depreciate slowly, and the GX specifically proves exceptionally resistant to depreciation. The previous GX 460 maintained remarkably strong residual values throughout production. For cash buyers, you can purchase at MSRP, enjoy comprehensive warranty coverage, and reasonably expect to recoup substantial investment when selling. This value retention makes premium pricing more palatable through total cost of ownership. While initial outlay is higher, depreciation expense is significantly lower. Reliability and build quality. The GX's most compelling attribute? Legendary Lexus reliability. Manufactured at the Tahara plant in Japan, renowned for exceptional build quality, Lexus consistently ranks at or near the top of reliability studies. Body-on-frame construction is inherently robust, with fewer potential failure points. The GX includes 4 years, 50,000 miles bumper-to-bumper coverage, plus 6 years, 70,000 miles powertrain protection, backed by exceptional customer support. Who should buy the 2026 Lexus GX 550? The GX excels for buyers who value genuine off-road capability with daily driver luxury, need substantial towing capacity, prioritize reliability and value retention over cutting-edge technology, have sufficient budget without heavy discounting, want 7-passenger capacity in terrain-capable vehicles, prefer maintaining vehicles long-term. The GX might not suit buyers who prioritize maximum fuel efficiency, need the latest technology features, prefer car-like driving dynamics, require negotiated discounts or favorable lease terms, want compact dimensions for urban parking, require spacious third row for regular adult use. Final verdict. After extensive analysis, yes, the 2026 Lexus GX 550 is genuinely worth considering despite premium pricing, but only if it aligns with your specific needs. This isn't for everyone. If maximizing fuel economy matters, or you need incentivized leases, better alternatives exist. However, if you're seeking authentic off-road capability without compromising daily livability, the GX stands virtually alone. The combination of Lexus luxury, Toyota reliability, impressive towing, and genuine trail competence is extraordinarily rare at this price point. Value retention cannot be overstated. While you're paying premium upfront, you'll recoup far higher percentages compared to heavily discounted alternatives that depreciate precipitously. Total cost of ownership over 5 to 7 years might actually favor the GX. For the right buyer, someone who genuinely needs and will use the GX's capabilities while appreciating its luxury, this represents an excellent investment. Conclusion: we've covered enormous ground about the 2026 Lexus GX 550, from its powerful twin-turbo V6 and impressive towing to challenging lease economics and exceptional value retention. I hope this comprehensive analysis has provided genuine value. Here's what I need from you. If you currently own a Lexus GX, latest generation, previous GX 460, or earlier models, please share your ownership experience in the comments. What do you love? What challenges have you encountered? Your real-world experiences help prospective buyers make informed decisions and strengthen our community. If you own a Toyota Land Cruiser, we want to hear from you too. How does it compare? What made you choose it? These shared experiences don't just help viewers, they help me create better, more comprehensive content. Before you go, hit that like button if you found this helpful. It helps the algorithm show this to more people. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We're constantly testing vehicles and sharing strategies that save thousands. Turn on notifications so you never miss content. Thank you so much for investing your time watching this comprehensive review. Your support enables us to continue creating detailed, honest content that helps people make better automotive decisions. Until next time, drive safe, make informed choices, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.